Titan chair, and this is the Osaki Japan Premium 4S. The Osaki Japan Premium 4S massage mechanism is 4D. 4D means that it will do everything that a 3D will, but it also incorporates speed variations to make it feel like a more lifelike massage. And to start, we're going to press this green button here to power on the chair. After powering the chair on, it will go into a slight recline. The first option on the remote will be 30-Minute Pro. After selecting this option, you will see 4 automatic massages: VIP, Sommelier, Slow Stretch, and Air Relax. All 4 of these massages will be for 30 minutes. The second option on the menu will be Whole Body. Underneath this, you will see that it has 5 separate massage styles. You have Extreme Rejuvenation, Rejuvenation, Refresh, Relax, and Soft. Those do range from a more intense massage at Extreme Rejuvenation to a more gentle, relaxing massage at Soft. Coming up on our third option, we do have the Stretch function. Once you select this function, you will see that you have 3 different styles of stretch. You have the Extreme Whole Body Stretch, a Whole Body Stretch, and the Whole Body Air. Whole Body Air will only be utilizing the airbags in the massage chair, where Whole Body Stretch will utilize both airbags and the rollers in the back. An Extreme Whole Body Stretch will just be a more intense version of the Whole Body Stretch option. The fourth option on the remote will be Neck and Shoulder. Selecting this is going to have the rollers in the back focus more in the neck and shoulder region. Underneath this option, you do have 4 sub options: Extreme Rejuvenation, Rejuvenation, Refresh, and Relax, ranging from the more intense at Extreme Rejuvenation to a more relaxing massage in the shoulder and neck area at Relax. The fifth and center option on the remote is going to be the memory function. To utilize the memory function, you will select Memory, and you will press Memory Record. What this is going to do is it's going to pop up and have you choose an automatic function. After doing the automatic function, it is going to measure your body, and it will continue to use those measurements in the memory function. The sixth option is Waist. Waist massage is going to have the rollers in the back focus on your lower back and utilize the hip and lumbar airbags to stretch out the muscles in your lower back and in your waist. By selecting this option, you will see that we have 4 sub options: Extreme Rejuvenation, Rejuvenation, Refresh, and Relax. Again, the strength will range from Extreme Rejuvenation being the more intense and Relax being the more gentle. The seventh option on the remote is Part. If you click on the program Part, you will see that it has different areas of focus, and this is going to be just focusing for a quick 7-minute massage. The 8th option on the remote is Manual Mode, and under this mode you will find that you have 6 sub options: Basic 1s, 2, 3, Neck, Shoulder, Back, Waist, and Air Massage. And if you begin at Basic 1, you will see that you do get to choose the style of massage that you are looking for. Through this menu, you will actually build your own massage to meet the needs that you have. The 9th option on the remote is going to be the Settings menu. Under the Settings menu, you can have Quick Mode on and off, choose from 4 different languages, and you also have the auto reclining on and off. When you have the auto recline on and you power the machine off, it will automatically come all the way forward. Without this on, you will need to click the auto move up power off when selecting the power off button. When activating Quick Mode and you have it turned on, the chair, when powered on, will automatically give you a menu of 4 quick massage styles. Those massage styles will be the 30-minute Sommelier course, Whole Body Rejuvenation, Whole Body Relax, and Whole Body Stretch. The arms for the Osaki Japan 4S are what were considered butterfly armrest. As you can see, by applying pressure to the outside of the arm and pushing outwards, you can open the armrest. To insert your arm, you will need to just slide it into the crease. The 4S's remote is touchscreen and has physical buttons to control the reclining, the angle of the footrest, and the heat. The heat on the OS Japan 4S is a very mild heat, and it will be in the lumbar area. Where the chair does not have zero gravity, it does lay you out to a flat position. On the bottom half of the remote, you will see the buttons labeled footrest angle, reclining, footrest slide, heater, and need ball position. By pressing up and down where it says recline, you can recline the chair up or decline the chair back. To press up and down on the footrest angle, we'll change the angle of the footrest and move it either up to be in a more flat position or down to have more of a bend at the knee. At the bottom of the remote where it says footrest slide, if you press on the left side where it says stretch, that will push the footrest out mechanically, and if you press on the side that says shrink, it will bring the footrest in. The need ball position will be used in manual control to select the portion of the back that you are wanting to have massaged. When powering the massage chair off, an option will pop up that says auto move up. By selecting this option, the entire chair will go into the normal seated position.